Hello Keystone investors, welcome back to another video. Throughout history, art has been a reflection of our civilization, capturing moments, emotions, and innovations. Now, in our digital age, art is merging with technology in groundbreaking ways. So today, we're venturing into a captivating realm of crypto arts and NFTs. If terms like digital art tokenization or NFTs have sparked your curiosity, but you're not quite sure what they mean, you're in the right place. In this discussion, we'll demystify these concepts and delve into why they're making headlines around the globe. By the end, you'll not only understand this revolutionary intersection, but also why it matters to artists, investors, and collectors alike. And for those who stick around till the end, we have a special segment highlighting some of the most groundbreaking NFT art pieces sold and their incredible stories behind them. So whether you're an art enthusiast, tech-savvy investor, or somewhere in between, this exploration promises to provide valuable insights into the evolving world of digital arts. Let's dive in. Art, in essence, has always been a way for humans to express themselves, to capture emotions, and tell stories. From the earliest cave paintings created using natural pigments and bare hands, to the grandeur of Renaissance masterpieces painted with meticulously crafted brushes, the mediums have evolved, but the intention to create and connect has remained consistent. Enter the digital age. As computers become household staples, and later as smartphones found their way into nearly every pocket, artists began experimenting with these new tools. Digital art, unlike its traditional counterparts, isn't confined to a canvas or sculpted from tangible materials. Instead, it's created using digital platforms, allowing for dynamic visuals, interactivity, and even immersing in the virtual worlds. This medium gives artists a plethora of unprecedented tools, layers, digital brushes, effects, and much more. But what sets digital art apart from most traditional art? It's reproducible. A digital art piece can be duplicated flawlessly, down to every last pixel, whereas a painting, no matter how expertly produced, will always have minute differences from the original. This very characteristic of digital art, while offering certain advantages, also poses challenges in terms of originality and value, challenges which cryptocurrency and blockchain technology aim to address. So cryptocurrencies at their core are digital currencies that exist entirely online. Unlike traditional dollars or euros, these are not controlled by any central government or institution. You might have heard of Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are just a couple of examples from a myriad of cryptocurrencies out there. They are digital gold coins, if you will, that you can send or receive over the internet. Now, to ensure that these online transactions are secure, we turn to the blockchain. Imagine a vast digital notebook that's not stored in one single location, but rather duplicated thousands of times across a network of computers worldwide. Every time someone makes a transaction using cryptocurrencies, a record of that deal is added to this notebook. Because it's decentralized, it's nearly impossible to tamper with or hack, ensuring that your digital art purchases and sales are trustworthy and transparent. Now that we've touched upon these fundamental concepts, let's explore how they're revolutionizing the world of art. Art has always found a way to adapt and thrive with technological advancements. Enter the blockchain, a realm where art has carved a unique niche for itself, known as crypto art. It might sound futuristic, and in many ways, it is. So what makes art crypto? Imagine a painting, but instead of it being on a canvas, it's digital, and its proof of ownership and authority is stored on the blockchain. This not only ensures that the artwork is original, but also gives it a unique kind of value. And this brings us to the groundbreaking concept of digital scarcity. In the traditional digital realm, anything can be copied infinitely, from photos to music. However, with crypto art, the blockchain allows for the creation of a digital item that is truly one of a kind. Just as there's only one Mona Lisa, a piece of crypto art is singular and cannot be replicated in the same way. This scarcity is what often drives the value of these digital masterpieces, making them highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts alike. At the heart of crypto art lies a term you might have heard buzzing around lately: NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. These aren't just fancy jargons, they're fundamentally changing the art scene and how we perceive value in the digital realm. We're familiar with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are fungible. This means if you trade one Bitcoin for another, you'd still have, one Bitcoin. They're identical in value, like swapping a dollar bill for another. NFTs, on the other hand, are non-fungible. Think of them as a unique collector's item. If you traded an NFT for another, you'd get something distinct in return. It's like trading a rare vintage stamp for a one-of-a-kind baseball card. Each has its own unique value and can't be replaced with something else. In the realm of art, this is groundbreaking. NFTs have given digital art pieces something they've lacked before: provenance and authenticity. When an artist mints or creates an NFT, it's stamped with a unique code on the blockchain. This code verifies its originality and ownership, ensuring that there's only one true owner of that piece. It's a digital certificate of authenticity, if you will. And that's where the revolution begins. With NFTs, artists can sell their work directly to buyers without intermediaries, gaining more control over their creations and its pricing. Collectors, on the other hand, get their hands on a unique piece of art, with the assurance of its authenticity and rarity. This dynamic has given birth to a vibrant, new digital art marketplace, setting the stage for innovative art forms and novel ways of collecting. The NFT art scene isn't just confined to small circles of digital art enthusiasts. It's making headlines worldwide. And if we're talking about monumental moments, we can't bypass Beeple's staggering 69 million artwork sale. Yes, you heard it right. 69 million for a purely digital artwork. Beeple, whose real name is Mike Winkelmann, shook the art and crypto world when his piece titled Every Days, the first 5,000 days, was auctioned at Christie's. This wasn't just a win for Beeple. It was a clarion call to the world that crypto art is here and is commanding attention. But it's not only about those jaw-dropping price tags. Artists from various backgrounds and regions who might have previously struggled to find a platform or get fair compensation are now discovering new avenues. They're connecting directly with global audiences, bypassing traditional gatekeepers and keeping a more significant share of their sales. For many, this isn't just a financial boom, but a rejuvenation of their artistic spirit, granting them more freedom and control over their creation. On the brighter side, authenticity is at the forefront. With NFTs, artists can conclusively prove the originality of their work. No more fretting over forgeries or copycats. The blockchain provides an indisputable record of ownership. This not only protects the artists, but gives confidence to the collectors, knowing that they own a genuine piece of art. With NFTs, you can truly own a digital item, be it art, music, or even a virtual plot of land, in a way that wasn't conceivable before. This digital stamp of ownership means that artists have more control over their work, and collectors possess something uniquely theirs. The new medium has also transformed artist compensation. Historically, artists would receive a fraction of their artwork sales, with intermediaries taking a significant chunk. Now, artists can sell directly to their audience, often earning a more substantial share. Additionally, many NFT platforms allow artists to receive royalties each time their artwork is resold, creating a recurring revenue stream. Lastly, The global reach of NFTs is unparalleled. No need for art galleries in major cities or exclusive showcases. An artist from a remote corner of the world can share and sell their creation to someone continents away, democratizing the world of art like never before. However, it's not all rosy. There are pressing concerns, especially about the environmental impacts of NFTs. Blockchain transactions, particularly on platforms like Ethereum, consume vast amounts of energy, leading to significant carbon footprints. This has led many to question the sustainability of the medium. The market's speculative nature is also another point of contention. With artwork selling for millions, critics argue that the NFT space is becoming less about art and more about quick profits, with prices driven by hype rather than value. Lastly, there's the question of longevity. Digital files, platforms, and even cryptocurrencies themselves are relatively new. Will they stand the test of time? Can a digital art piece hold its value and significance over decades, akin to a Picasso? Only time will tell. As with any pioneering medium, we can expect the NFT art scene to undergo significant evolution. One can imagine virtual art galleries becoming commonplace, where attendees from around the world, donning VR headsets, gather to admire and purchase exclusive digital art pieces. These spaces wouldn't be confined by physical limitations, allowing for art experiences beyond our current imagination. As for mainstream adoption, it's only a matter of time. As cryptocurrencies continue to gain acceptance, so too will the platforms and art forms built upon them. We might soon see a renowned art institution and museums dedicating section to an entire exhibition to crypto art. Universities might offer courses on digital art creation for blockchain, reflecting the growing significance of this medium. Yet with all these exciting prospects, the soul of art remains constant, the expression of human experience, emotion, and creativity. Whether painted on a canvas or coded for the blockchain, the essence of art is timeless, and its future undoubtedly is bright. And that's the end of today's video. Like, comment, subscribe for more insightful explorations, and I'll see you in the next one.